Welcome to our video concerning the use of Intent1's report tools. These reports are designed so that you can monitor your progress over time. No business could succeed without some feedback concerning the results they're getting. Could you imagine working for or owning a company that did no accounting? Interestingly enough, most people do no accounting when it comes to the use of their time and how well they focus on their priorities. The data for your reports will come directly from the information you provide in your daily tracking. Simply put, when you update the daily tracking system, your answers are saved in a database. When you run your reports, the data for those reports comes directly from those answers. Currently, there are two kinds of reports: numeric and graphic. Numeric reports simply show numbers. Graphic reports provide pie charts, bar charts, and so forth so you can get a better picture of your progress and challenge areas. In order to use the reports tools, you'll need to be logged in. From the home page, choose the Tools menu. Type in your username and password and press the Login button. Once you're logged in, click on the Reports menu option and you'll see the following report options. The first option on the Reports menu is the Daily Scores option. This report is a numeric report and is a measure of your overall scores. The date for this report is chosen using the same tool you use for selecting the date for your daily tracking. Once you've done that, simply choose the Reports menu option and then Daily Scores. The areas that are scored on this report come directly from the areas that are shown in the daily tracking form, with the exception of the foundation areas. The foundation area's score provides a summary score for the life purpose, time and energy, and title areas. Ideally, we would like to have a score of 100% in all areas of the report. This rarely happens, however, because life is not a balanced activity and we are most likely stretching ourselves. So don't be too concerned if you're not scoring extremely high on these reports, especially when you first begin using them. You'll get more balanced as you make your adjustments and work on your challenge areas. The scores in the goals areas of the Daily Scores report differ from the scores in the rest of the report. To score 100% in this area, you will simply have to focus on one of your goals in that area. For example, you may have 4 motivational goals that you're working on. To score 100%, you simply need to focus on one or more of those goals on the day you are scoring. That's because it's virtually impossible to focus on several goals on the same day or at the same time. As a matter of fact, it's counterproductive and will spread us way too thin. The rest of the areas on the report score intuitively and are simply based on a percentage of the total score possible in that area. Beyond the Daily Scores report, you'll find 4 reports for each of the following areas: foundation areas, values, long-term goals, short-term goals, motivational goals, practices, standards, and traits. By clicking on the link for each area, you'll see a list of the 4 reports available for it. To use any of the reports, you simply click on the one you'd like to view, and then enter the start date and the end date for the range of time you'd like to see, and press the Submit button. Your report will then appear. The pie chart and the bar graph reports are graphic reports and will provide a chart or graph from the date range you enter. If you place your cursor over the area of the pie chart or bar graph you're interested in, the numeric data for that slice or bar will appear. In some browsers, you actually have to click the slice or bar to see this data. On the right side of the graphic, you'll see a legend for the chart or graph, and underneath it, you'll see a numeric breakdown. The daily scores and weekly summary reports are numeric reports and will provide more detailed numeric breakdowns. These numeric charts are an excellent way to see patterns in our behavior and outcomes. So that's how the reports work currently. If you have an idea for a new report or would like to see changes made to our current report set, please let us know. We rely on you to help us to build this most effectively. You can email us or post a request in our forum. Thanks for watching and keep doing what you're inspired to do.